The AC power system is made up of transfer buses, main buses, galley buses, an AC standby bus, and ground service buses. The transfer buses are connected by a tie bus and bus tie breaker system. If two power sources are connected, the bus tie breakers open to prevent parallel operation of the generators. If only one power source energizes the tie bus, the tie breakers close to supply power to the two transfer buses. The sources of AC power are ground power, the APU generator, and the engine-driven IDGs. Let's look at more of the electrical system. To start the pre-flight, move the battery switch to on. These annunciator lights tell you about transfer bus status. The transfer bus off light shows that the related transfer bus is not energized. The source off light, as shown here, tells you no power source is selected to energize the transfer bus. The light can also illuminate when a generator switch is moved to on and the related generator does not connect and supply power to the bus. Or if a connected power source is replaced by a different source. Under these two conditions, the transfer bus does stay energized. The generator off bus light tells you the transfer bus is not supplied with power from the related IDG. The APU generator off bus light shows the APU generator is available, but does not supply power to a bus. The light extinguishes when the APU generator is connected to a bus. The ground power available light illuminates when ground power of good quality is connected to the airplane. The light does not extinguish after ground power is connected to a bus. To connect a power source to the AC buses, you must momentarily move a power switch to the on position. Connect ground power. When ground power is connected, the transfer bus off and source off lights extinguish. The two transfer buses are energized through the tie bus. The APU is running, so move the APU generator number 1 switch to on. The APU generator disconnects ground power from the tie bus. The source off light illuminates because the manually selected source has been automatically disconnected. Move the other APU generator switch to on and we'll remove ground power. Engine number 2 is now running. Move the generator number 2 switch to on. The generator off bus light extinguishes, and the bus tie breaker opens. The number 2 IDG supplies power to transfer bus 2. When an IDG supplies power to one transfer bus, the other continues to be energized by the APU generator or ground power if it is connected to the system. The APU generator or ground power can energize one or two transfer buses, but they cannot be connected to any part of the electrical system at the same time. Engine number 1 is now running. Connect the generator. The number 1 IDG now supplies power to transfer bus 1. The APU generator off bus light illuminates because the APU generator is no longer connected to a bus. The AC electrical meters show voltage, frequency, and amperage of the source selected by the AC meter selector. The cabin utility and in-flight entertainment passenger seat IFE pass power switches control two sub-buses off the AC transfer buses. The buses control galley power, passenger convenience items, and in-flight entertainment systems. The switches are normally put to on during pre-flight. If the APU continues to supply power to the transfer buses after takeoff, and then fails or is shut down, the IDGs automatically connect to the buses. The automatic generator online feature is available only in flight, only one time per flight, and only under these conditions. During flight, if only one power source is available, the electrical system automatically removes power to some buses to decrease the total electrical load. This is referred to as load shedding. The galley buses are de-energized first. If the load continues to be greater than the available electrical power, the main AC buses are de-energized one at a time until the load is less than the system limit. Later, if more power becomes available, some or all of the buses are automatically energized again. During taxi-in, you can connect the APU generator after the APU generator off bus light illuminates. Move the APU generator switches to on. The APU generator now supplies power to the transfer buses. The engines can be shut down normally when the airplane is at the gate.